subscribe with notifications on.
Things are for 105.
Exactly.
I find 300. No.
Imagine.
The permits are not coming out. We don't have work. We creative to come and take
You
our
using
money.
your own creativeness, exactly.
Because there is in the jobs there is no
But
permit.
that is crime.
That's
Permit
crime.
coming out.
But you guys report this to the police.
They will be not here most when they come. They
Yo,
will
but
not
this is
here
bad,
when
man.
they
This is
come.
so bad. This is really bad.
The permits are not coming out, so we find this one. We're not taking their jobs.
It's bad. Really, it's so
It's
bad.
only we work hard when we find a job, we hold it. Because we have to pay rent, we have to pay electricity, we have to pay water.
Exactly.
We don't stay for free. We don't have grant.
The grant like RDP houses and so forth. Yo, baby, let's go and find out from that woman there. Let's go that side. Sister, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate my money. All right, thank you so much.
I don't come with the phone. You don't come with the phone? Yeah, when you pass, you bring a
You know, I
paper.
used to also sell clothes. I used to stand there. And my
So you don't come with your phone?
No, I can't.
Because they come and rob you guys.
When I say I have to hide money, my son take it because it's not safe.
Yeah, but these people they are making. That's why we're asking. Are South Africans safe in the? Okay, you know what? So we'll get it. We'll get some paper. They will give it to her when we come back.
From here, and I used to have a stand as well.
Okay.
Baby, we'll come back. We'll give you our number when we come back. Ne?
Call me and then I'll come quickly.
All right, no problem. Thank you so much. All right. So guys, you can hear what the challenges these guys are facing. They are saying they wake up in the morning, they hustle, they do everything they do, and then month end there are some guys, random guys, South African guys who comes here to ask them to pay something. It's not nice. It is so not nice, guys.
South Africa.
Let's go to this guy. Let's hear. My sister, how are you? Hello. 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 Are you sleeping or are you just pretending? Huh? I want to talk to you. What if I want to buy? What if I want to buy? Eh? What if I want to buy? Eh? She's pretending, baby. She's pretending. Anyway.
Do you think foreigners are safe in South Africa?
Are foreigners safe in South Africa, Mama?
Are foreigners safe in South Africa?
Yes, they are.
They are very safe.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much to hear from you.
Keeping good. Keeping good.
Yeah, keep treating them good. My brother, how are you?
Foreigners safe in South Africa? Are foreigners safe in South Africa?
Are foreigners safe in South Africa?
It depends. Why do you say so?
It depends about usiphethe njani,
Oh,
ufana
okay.
bona banjani.
Oh, okay.
Or it depends. But now you guys, Tina as South Africans, see I complain. We are saying these foreigners are taking our girls. These foreigners are taking our jobs and all those type of things. Why Tina? We can't do what these guys are doing.
No, yazi, akekho umuntu othathisha
Eh.
ihule ehlelile ihule. Ihule liyasithuzela nabo liyakhona. Indoda ungakhupha epokothweni, amanqolana echeri ugqibile. Ungafuna enze into ukuthi ukhoza uhlalela echeri. Ngoba uthatha umuntu wami.
Uyibekile, brad.
Ihule lami indlela yayo.
Uyibekile, brad.
Ubustinji uleqhubu ubamba apha etasini. Nyawuhlala unjalo hle kumamba yedwa aba nguYesu sozifana intombi emSamaria. Awuphikona intombi emSamaria nguYesu ocela inamba yami. Ngoba uthatha echeri yami.
Hey, Koji, I love your opinion.
This guy.
What is your name?
Shooting straight to the point. I got cheeky foot.
Where are you from?
Wow.
Wow, so you're Khoza. Wow.
We make it straight, Baba. I got cheeky.
Okay, please check us out on Duke's First Time on YouTube. Ne?
Thank you, brother.
Duke's First Time.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. We shoot us straight. I got chick. Unjani mama? Oh, yeah,
I
no.
think foreigners are safe in South Africa. Let's work together.
Ah. Okay.
Do you think
Hello, mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you think foreigners are safe in South Africa?
No,
They're not safe in South
they
Africa.
are not safe.
They're not safe, eh?
Yeah, because
South Africans are harassing them.
Yeah,
They are abusing them.
Yeah, query,
They are calling them names, but you know what? My main concern is that when other foreign white people come from other countries,
They are not
here,
foreigners.
they're not calling them foreigners, calling them tourists.
Only black.
But we blacks, we call each other for and so
Yeah.
forth, which is wrong.
Yeah, it's not nice.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, mama.
Thank
Thank you so much for your input.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Yeah, guys, you saw this thing of calling each other for queries, all those that do calling each other names. This thing must stop, guys, because when other white people come from other countries, when they get here, we don't call them queries. We don't call them by names. We're calling them tourists. But our own African, brothers and sisters, we're calling them foreigners. Which is wrong. Which is wrong.
Ek kan nie Afrikaans praat nie.
I can't Afrikaans praat nie.
Nee. Maar jy moet Afrikaans praat.
No, I want to find out,
Ek kan
are
nie
foreigners
Afrikaans
safe
nie baie
in South Africa?
Afrikaans nie.
Are they safe in South Africa? Are foreigners safe in South Africa? No, I want to know from
Please
you.
explain to him. Ek kan nie Afrikaans praat nie. My Afrikaans is nie reg nie.
Yeah, maybe he can talk to us. What can I say? What do you say in Afrikaans?
Kom my kant.
What do you say in Afrikaans?
Wat is dit?
Want to know, are foreigners safe in South Africa? So you want to help us. Are foreigners safe in South Africa? Just ask him the question.
I think he understands you. He understands you.
He doesn't understand.
He understands.
He doesn't understand. He wants to tell us, but he doesn't understand.
Sorry, we are about to get an opinion here. But now can you Africans praat nie?
You can't Afrikaans
From
praat.
there's a lot of people who will tell you what's going on there.
Where?
They're reachable there by us. I stay there.
Yeah, we must pass by.
The people will talk.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
here, they don't want to talk.
They're scared.
They're shy. But they are shy.
So you can speak English, Mus. So, are foreigners safe in South Africa?
Yes.
They are safe in South Africa. But why are they complaining about you guys? Hey, they are complaining about South Africans. Yeah, they are complaining about South Africans. They are saying you guys are beating them. You are saying they are taking your jobs. You are taking your girlfriends. They are lying. Eh?
I want to see.
Yeah,
They're lying.
they are lying, my man. So they are lying.
See, but how they love you.
They live free.
Yeah, they drive nice cars. Drive nice cars.
They are lying. Eh? So, but do you recommend South Africa? Would you recommend South Africa to other foreign African brothers and sisters to come and live in South Africa? Do you think South Africa is a very good country
It's the best country
to live in, right?
If you must watch the DW news, you will tell me again. If you watch the DW news, you will see.
Perfect.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. So she's saying South Africa is the best country to come to live in, whether you are from Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Malawi, it doesn't matter.
The best country.
It's the best country to live in. So foreigners, whoever you are, whether you are from Malawi, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, or Zambia, it doesn't matter. You are still free to come to South Africa. We will treat you well here without no problems.
Without,
You understand?
Without papers, even we are accepting them. We
Without
allow them.
papers, they can still,
Yeah,
you see,
yeah.
100%. I love it. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Ek het in 1998 hy het tussen Blikkiesdorp.
Ja, sister.
Aanspoed gedoen vir 'n huis. Ek en my ma. My ma is nou 8 jaar dood. En die ding is, ek het nou nog nie huis nie. I stay in a window house. The water is coming up.
And the government is not taking care of you guys.
Who?
The government is not taking care of us.
They promise and promise all the time of houses. You will get that.
They want us to vote for them, that's why. That's why they're doing this because they want us to vote for them. We will vote for them. They